Hello friends, welcome to Tricks. Today we are going to learn a trick to remember vitamins and their scientific names. First of all, we will arrange all the vitamins in alphabetical order. We have here vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. Vitamin A's scientific name is retinol and deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Vitamin B, thiamine, deficiency causes beriberi. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, deficiency causes scurvy. Vitamin D, calciferol, its deficiency can cause rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Vitamin E, tocopherol, its deficiency is very rare and its deficiency may cause sterility in male and abortion in female. Vitamin K, phylloquinone, its deficiency is related to bleeding disorder where coagulation does not take place. These were the vitamins and their scientific names and the disease caused due to their deficiency. To remember the scientific names, I have used the image of a supergirl because if you take vitamins, you can become a supergirl or superman. To relate the scientific names, just follow the body parts of this supergirl. First we have eyes here. And first vitamin is vitamin A and scientific name of vitamin A is retinol. And in the eye we have retina. Also, deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. And this supergirl takes vitamin A in sufficient quantity, and that is why her eyes have superpower. Next, we have vitamin B. Scientific name of vitamin B is thiamine, and thiamine's pronunciation rhymes with thyroid, and thyroid gland is present in the neck. So, in this way, you can remember that vitamin B, which is thiamine, present in the neck of the supergirl. Vitamin C, scientific name is ascorbic acid, and we know that acid is present in the stomach. So, vitamin C is ascorbic acid that is present in stomach. First, we have A retinol, B thiamine, C ascorbic acid, and this is in alphabetical order, and as well as the body parts from top to bottom. Then we have vitamin D, whose scientific name is calciferol. We know that calcium is present in the bones, and the largest bone in the body is femur, that is present in the thighs. You can remember that femur, which is largest bone, has obviously the largest amount of calcium. So feral relates to femur. It is in the thighs. So scientific name is calciferol. After D we have vitamin E, and E's scientific name is tocopherol, and this can be remembered by referring toe to toco. Toe of the supergirl is toco. So vitamin E is tocopherol present at the end of the body of our supergirl. Vitamin K and scientific name is phylloquinone. Here the pronunciation of phi we can relate it to feet. Feet of our supergirl has vitamin K. Scientific name is phylloquinone. In this way, visualizing the image of this supergirl, you can easily remember all the vitamins and their scientific names. Hope you like this trick. Please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.